and wheel spacer set for Audi A5. Commonly, these Audi wheel spacers are made of steel or aluminum. It's stored between the hub assembly and the wheel, pushing the wheels out to provide a more compact stance and increase the distance between the wheels. As long as you use high-quality Audi wheel spacers and install them correctly, the wheel spacers are very safe compared with others. The hollow-out design of BONOSS lightweight pass-through spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability.
The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The advantage of choosing BONOSS aluminum alloy wheel spacer is that the hard anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevents rusting.
Proper-sized Audi A5 wheel spacers provide a perfect flush stance and keep your car from tire rubbing issues. BONOSS half-centric wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage half-centric layers. The half-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers feed the corresponding half spacers. Eliminate any possible gaps. Precise half-centric Audi wheel spacers will not change the original wheel fastening method. If you have any questions about BONOSS Audi SUV wheel spacers, please leave your comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.